Expert coaching from application engineers is always in high demand, and well, that's why we're here in a parking lot, because this was the only chance I could get to get a hold of my colleague here. Today I'm interviewing one of our AEs here in Silicon Valley, Darrow Chu. And well, Darrow, maybe introduce yourself a little bit more before we talk about the trends that we're seeing here in Silicon Valley.
All right, sure, thanks, Joe. This is Darrow. I started my career back in '95 with Hitachi Semiconductor. I was developing the RISC architecture Super SH5 series of the microprocessor.
Mm-hmm.
And then I moved to Cisco, working on the leading edge network ASIC in terms of Pro ASICs, Fabric ASICs, etc. 4 years ago, I joined Cadence. So far, I've been pretty happy with our company and also with our customers. That's about it.
Great background. Now, just tell us what are some of the trends you're seeing? Maybe kind of break it out. You know, some of just the economics, and maybe just some of the flavor of the projects customers are doing, and then just some of the EDA related observations you're seing.
Sure. So in the past year or so, in Silicon Valley, the economy got hit pretty badly. We've been seeing a company freeze hiring for quite a while. Fortunately, earlier this year, some companies start hiring people like Broadcom and other companies. So I do see the trends of the job opportunity getting more challenged.
Yeah, but I tell you, at the same time, when we've gone on some joint calls here, I've seen a lot of new faces too. So it seems like some people are coming back into the mix.
Right. Today, I think it's a better opportunity for college new grad. Well, compared with like a 10, 15 years experience.
So what are some of the EDA related trends that you're seeing above and beyond the economic trends?
Oh, sure. I think in the past, well, in terms of verification, if we're talking about the methodology, before people like doing like ad hoc verification, which is not so efficient. I think in the past couple of years, more and more people start adopting methodology like OVM. Well, certainly also a lot of people using VMM. But I think since the announcement of the UVN at the end of last year, I think a lot of people now start talking about UVM. So that is the trend I'm seeing in the verification domain.
Great. Now, but you're also a specialist in assertion-based verification, correct? And what trends are you seeing in, say, the formal and multi-engine field?
Right. So I think if we're talking about 4 or 5 years ago, if we talk about assertion-based verification, probably not so many companies will be so enthusiastic about it. But especially in the past 2 years, I see more and more companies, especially like top 10, top 30 companies, they're being aggressively try to deploy assertion-based verification methodology in their groups. And nowadays, using existing technology available in the industry, there's a tool can generate properties, and also there's a technology that can basically merging the result from simulation and formal, or doing some hybrid, doing a bug hunting stuff. I think that's quite striking.
Very good. Now, of course, one of the initiatives that Cadence has launched is EDA 360. And can you tell me about how that's being received in the field and perhaps the relationship to your specialty to formal verification?
Sure. Certainly. I think the EDA 360, well, despite the terminology, because a lot of people probably not aware of EDA 360, but the whole point is nowadays the customer would like to see a push-button solution, and also from the beginning to the end, they like to see the whole flow and can be integrated. So I do believe, especially a lot of companies, they like to reduce the cost by just integrating, getting the IP off the shelf, and want to integrate them to speed up the silicon realization, or if we're talking about SoC realization or system realization, they like to having this turnaround time much quicker than before. So because time to market, that's really important. So I believe our EDA 360 really hit the nerve because now we really want to focus on not only the verification IP, but also design IP that we can offer to the customer to help them to accelerate the realization process.
Great, makes sense. Well, Darrow, again, thanks for your time. Thanks for taking time out for the interview, and I'll let you get back to the next customer.
Sure. Thank you.